For over a decade, the tech industry has been obsessed with a single question: what comes after the smartphone? We've seen smartwatches take over our wrists, wireless earbuds take over our ears, and virtual reality headsets try to claim our living rooms. But every major tech giant knew the holy grail of personal computing was something far more natural: a simple pair of everyday eyeglasses. If you look back at the history of smart glasses, the journey started as a complete disaster. Cast your mind back to 2013, when Google introduced Google Glass. On paper, it was revolutionary, featuring a translucent screen, a camera, and voice commands. But in reality, it was an aesthetic catastrophe. It looked like laboratory hardware crudely strapped to a metal wire frame. People who wore them in public looked alien and detached, earning the nickname glassholes. People felt uncomfortable standing next to someone wearing a visible lens, and privacy concerns caused the device to be banned in restaurants and bars. Google Glass failed, not because the technology wasn't impressive, but because engineers made a fundamental mistake. They prioritized raw tech over basic human fashion. They forgot that glasses aren't just gadgets. They are an extension of your face, your personal style, and your identity. For the next several years, the smart glasses market became a digital graveyard. Intel tried with their Vaunt project and failed. Snapchat tried with Snap Spectacles, resulting in hundreds of millions of dollars in unsold inventory. Every company was trying to build a futuristic computer first and figure out how to frame it on your face second, until Meta flipped the entire blueprint upside down. In late 2020, Mark Zuckerberg made a strategic pivot. Tech companies shouldn't design eyewear. Eyewear companies should. Meta reached out to EssilorLuxottica, the global leader in eyewear behind household names like Oakley, Persol, and RayBan. The premise was simple: take iconic, universally loved frame designs, like the timeless RayBan Wayfarer, and engineer cutting-edge technology inside, without altering their silhouette. If someone passed you on the street, they shouldn't see a gadget, they should just see a classic pair of Ray-Bans. When the first generation launched in 2021 as the RayBan Stories, it was a decent proof of concept, but far from perfect. The cameras shot blurry 5-megapixel photos, battery life struggled, and sound leaked into public spaces. Meta went straight back to the drawing board, spending 2 years re-engineering the hardware. In late 2023, they released the RayBan Meta smart glasses. This was a massive, generational leap. They upgraded to an ultra-wide 12-megapixel camera capable of recording crisp 1080p video, added a custom 5-microphone array for spatial audio, packed in 32 gigabytes of storage, and integrated an open-ear speaker system. But the absolute game-changer was the integration of multimodal Meta AI. Suddenly, your glasses didn't just record the world around you, they could understand it. So, why might you actually need a pair of RayBan Meta smart glasses in your day-to-day life? Why spend money on smart eyewear when you already have a powerful smartphone in your pocket? It boils down to 3 core lifestyle shifts. First, preserving real-life moments with hands-free POV capture. You're at a concert, your kid is taking their first steps, or you're cooking a great dinner. You pull out your smartphone, hold a rectangular slab of metal in front of your face, and view the entire event through a 6-inch screen. With smart glasses, your hands stay free and your vision stays clear. When a moment happens, you simply press a subtle button on the frame, or say, "Hey Meta, take a video," and instantly capture a high-definition clip from your exact point of view. Whether you're a content creator wanting raw POV footage, a parent playing with your children, or a home chef slicing ingredients, hands-free capture lets you stay present while preserving the moment effortlessly. Second, multimodal AI that sees what you see. Traditional AI chatbots live behind a keyboard. Multimodal AI on smart glasses breaks this barrier because it shares your exact field of view. You can look at anything in the physical world and ask Meta about it. In the kitchen, you can open your refrigerator, look at leftovers, and ask Meta to look at the ingredients and give you a quick recipe idea. While traveling, you can stand in front of a menu written in Italian, Japanese, or French and ask Meta to translate the text for you. And within seconds, the AI reads the translation directly into your ears. During daily tasks, point your eyes at an unfamiliar plant to identify it, or look at a broken appliance for basic troubleshooting. It acts as an invisible, silent assistant, giving you real-time context without forcing you to pick up a phone. Third, open-ear spatial audio and environmental awareness. Traditional wireless earbuds are great for isolation, but plugging your ear canals while walking through busy city traffic or working in an office can be dangerous or socially isolating. RayBan Meta glasses use directional open-ear speakers hidden inside the temple arms to project sound straight into your ear canal. To you, the sound is rich and clear. To people standing next to you, there is minimal leakage. Most importantly, because your ear canals remain completely unobstructed, you retain full ambient awareness. You can listen to music or take a call while still hearing approaching cars, pedestrians, doorbells, or coworkers calling your name. Now, we also have to look at the valid concerns. The most common question is, what about privacy? Meta learned from Google Glass's mistakes. The RayBan Meta features an ultra-bright LED capture light built into the frame. Whenever the camera is actively recording, this light pulses brightly. If someone attempts to cover the LED light, the glasses automatically detect it and refuse to record, acting as a clear visual signal to everyone around you. As for battery life, the frames weigh around 50 grams, so space is limited. On a single charge, you get roughly 4 hours of active use. However, the companion case doubles as a portable power bank, capable of recharging the glasses up to 8 times on the go, with a 0 to 50% charge taking just over 20 minutes. Smart glasses are not meant to replace your smartphone today. You will still use your phone for deep work, gaming, and banking, but they offer a bridge to a less screen-obsessed world, giving you back quick fragments of your day. The RayBan Meta smart glasses prove that wearable tech doesn't have to look like a bulky sci-fi prop to be powerful. By combining iconic fashion, POV video, high-quality audio, and real-time multimodal AI, they have quietly built the most practical piece of wearable computing available today. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and hit that subscribe button for more awesome videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.